In today's fast-paced business world, staying ahead of the competition requires more than just traditional sales methods. Organizations are looking for newer methods, AI-driven tools to accelerate sales effort and gain more market share. Microsoft Dynamics Sales Copilot, the new AI offering from Microsoft, serves as ultimate companion for sellers, enabling them to attain unmatched success in propelling their sales endeavors forward. Microsoft Dynamics Sales Copilot is a role-based copilot designed specifically for sellers. Sales Copilot uses AI as a real-time collaborator to bring next-generation AI into CRM and Microsoft 365 apps, cutting down on tedious tasks for sellers. With Dynamics 365 Sales Copilot, sellers gain real-time insights that empower sales teams to make informed decisions. A whole new way to work. Think of Sales Copilot as a powerful tool that unlocks productivity for sellers and frees them up to focus on the things that matter. Paul is a sales manager at Blue Sky Enterprises and has been struggling to increase the lead conversion ratio for the North region. Paul has been looking into the list of leads into the system and is confused how to start. Paul opens up Dynamics 365 Sales Accelerator and sees the AI generates the work list for Paul to start with. Paul clicks on the lead Peter Houston and analyzes the details. He then clicks on Sales Copilot and Copilot quickly jumps into action by summarizing the lead details and checking if Peter Houston is associated with your organization before and quickly pulls in the summary details that Paul can refer to. Here Copilot also shows if there are matching potential accounts matching this lead. Paul clicks on Get Latest News for the account and Copilot quickly fetches the latest from Bing for Paul reference that can be used to close the sales. Paul can also use the catch-up option in Copilot that will generate the insights as, what all details were updated, when updated and who updated the details. Even Paul can click on Know More in Audit History option to see all updates in detail. The audit history shows detailed interactions that happened inside the record by different users. Paul now goes ahead and converts the lead into opportunity and Copilot quickly summarizes the opportunity details. Opportunity Details provides quick summary of transition from lead to opportunity and any other relevant details as useful for salesperson. Paul now moves to compose email to client for introduction of company services. Paul uses Copilot to draft email for introduction of company services. Copilot quickly generates a draft email that Paul can leverage. Paul clicks on Add to Email button to copy the email directly to Composer. Paul reviews the email and can easily adjust the tone of email as friendly. Copilot quickly gets into action and updates the email to a friendly tone and Paul is now ready to send the email to customer. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales Copilot is an invaluable AI tool for sellers, enhancing their capabilities and efficiency to increase sales and stay ahead of competition. In case you need your organization to implement Copilot, get in touch.